Hi, to update apps on your Google Pixel Watch 3, first thing you need to do is to press this crown to open list of your apps. Here, scroll till you could see Play Store, which looks like that, and tap it to open. So right now you should see those categories such as essential apps, apps for productivity, and so on. And now we need to scroll all the way down using our digital crown, go in Manage Apps, and here if you got any new updates, you will see it in this list. Unfortunately, all of my apps are updated, but in your case, you would see tab Update. Simply pick an app and instead of this blue button open, you will see blue button update. So all you'll have to do is to tap this button and your app will be automatically updated just in a second. And also you can go back. Here choose settings and enable to auto update apps by tapping on the switcher like this. And now your apps will be automatically updated over Wi-Fi. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.